Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that React developers might face when setting up Shadcn in a Vite app. The problem arises when trying to initialize Shadcn using the command npx shadcn at latest init, and encountering an error message stating that no tailwind-css configuration can be found. It's frustrating to come across this roadblock, especially after following the official setup guidelines for Tailwind. Now, let's move on to the solution. The fix for this issue is quite simple yet effective. By adding the necessary Tailwind headers to your global CSS file, index.css, you can resolve the error and successfully set up Shadcn in your React project. Simply include the following lines in your index.css file: a Tailwind base, a Tailwind components, and a Tailwind utilities. This addition will ensure that Tailwind CSS is properly integrated into your project and that Shadcn initialization runs smoothly. To wrap things up, we covered a common problem faced when setting up Shadcn in a React app using Vite, and the straightforward solution to overcome it. By adding the Tailwind headers to your index.css file, you can ensure that the necessary Tailwind CSS configuration is in place and proceed with setting up Shadcn without any hiccups. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, coding may have its challenges, but with the right solutions, we can overcome them together. See you in the next one.